I am Woongchul Park. This is the Great British Chef Signature Series. You want to use, as a chef, of course, very high quality ingredient, which is essentially seasonal. So that's why we don't really use fresh ingredient from South Korea, because you can't get the best quality. My wife and myself is very similar style, but she's more perfectionist, I would say. She's a pastry chef and I'm a chef. I gave her a lot of ideas about the dessert, and then she gave me a lot of ideas about the savory. I think it's kind of an advantage for both of us. We have each other. My name is Park, actually Woongchul Park. I'm chef at the restaurant Solip, nearby London Bridge Station. And then today we are gonna cook our first starter crab dish. Crab with actually dubu, which is tofu, and courgette flour. This is simple, very easy to make it as well, but using seasonal ingredients and then also using what I like as well. So courgette flour, we actually took it off from the courgette, and that's a kind of sauce made with pine nuts and onion and sesame seeds and brown crab cooked in the steamer. We picked up all the meat, and then cooked dubu, which is tofu again. We steam it and then we squeeze it properly and then we cool it down. Flesh from pomelo, roasted and chopped pine nuts, and the more important thing, this is crab broth. We made with the crab shells and then dried anchovy from Korea, dashima again, and daikon and chili pepper flake. I'm gonna start to make farce for courgette flour. So first of all, while we are making the farce, I'm gonna put the broth on the fire. So okay, crab and cooked dubu. I always recommend to taste little by little, as you wish. And pine nut, chives, and sauce. Salt. However you make, it has got its own thickness, because dubu and all the things are quite dry, you know, so it's thick. And then that's what I want as well. And then we are gonna put it into the piping bag. If they don't have a piping bag, they can just put it in there with a little bit more tricky. And then also, if you don't have a courgette flour, you can use any other vegetables like leaves. Courgette flour. Actually, we took off the pollen from inside already. There is nothing wrong with it, but texture, we don't want it. So you can use it as well at the same time. Very slowly. And then you twist a little bit. Again, at the end, actually, twist it a little bit. So we are gonna put it in the steamer for 3 minutes to 4 minutes. It depends on the size and it depends on the condition of the steamer. Okay, that's steamed courgette flour. We brush with basil oil. Salt on top a little bit more. And that's pomelo gel. They're made with pomelo and lemon. And then more basil oil. At home, if you would like to cook this, well, first of all, you don't have to always use exactly the same ingredient. Lastly, Thai basil. Here is some boiled crab broth. Here you go. Here is my first starter, which is crab and courgette flour dish.